e-commerce functionality, the add to cart, see the details of the products, payment system, in payment system we have the options like QR scan, cash on delivery, and cash on pickup. In admin panel we have the inventory where admins can add update units with products of the virtual shop. And also we have added the collaboration to farmers because the client requests to add that. Kasi po yung sabi po nila sa amin, i-add po namin kasi may isa daw po may nakipag-collaborate sa kanila. So for the limitations po, we have limited payment options. We do not accept debit cards, bank transfers, or any mga email po. No real-time tracking for deliveries. Tatrack deliveries po namin, mag-reload lang po kami kung processing order or out of delivery. Pero wala po kami katulad sa ibang platform na makikita rin po kung nasaan po yung product. No AI for recommendations or automated support, and international transactions not supported because we support local. And the next presenter is Kristen James Pascal.
So, good afternoon. I will discuss the methodology. This job here outlines the methods and procedures used in this study and provides a comprehensive overview of each development stage to ensure that the system aligns with the project objectives and meets the needs of its target users. So, here is our access control matrix. First is in our managed product, this user and regular users don't have access, and admin can create, view, write, execute, and they have an access. And in our virtual shop, guest user can read, regular users can read and update, and they have access. In our admin, they can view, write, and they also have an access, same as management. But here is guest user can have access, and regular users can update their information only. And in admin, they have all access except they have all the they can create, read, write, execute, and they also have an access. In place order, the guest user cannot place their orders, but the regular users can create, read, write, and they have an access, but they cannot execute. And in the admin, they can read, write, and they also have an access. In view orders, guest users can view orders, but regular users, they can read and they have an access, but they're in their own orders only. And in admin, they can read and they have access in all orders. In user dashboard, the guest user can enter it unless they sign up, and regular users can read and they have an access. In admin, they can read and they have an access to. And in guest user, in login and register, they can create and they have an access. And in regular users, in login and register, they can read, write, and they have an access, same as admin. So in our environment, Aga-Agri, an agricultural virtual shop with business environment of Aga-Agri Supply, a store located in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. This system used by local residents, bulk buyers, and farm to access range or cultivated plants and seeds. Our client and the owner of Aga-Agri is Mrs. Marilu Aga, and their workers and staffs are estimated to up to 20 to 30 staffs, and their customers are located locally here in Philippines. So, and the payment options can be QR scan, pick up, and cash delivery. The system managed by the store admin who can handle product updates, order processing, and inventory. Next is the requirement specifications. For customer and regular users, we have to create, register, login, and update account information. We have to make them new products, increase database, place and track orders, and choose payment methods. For admins, they manage accounts like add, update, delete, monitor and update inventory, and process customer orders. And for guests, they can view shop, but without registration. So our operational visibility, the operational visibility of AGA-AGRI was assessed to ensure its effectiveness for AGA agricultural supply. The review focused on the business readiness to transition from traditional selling methods to a digital platform, as well as the availability of necessary devices, internet, and basic technical needs. The system is expected to improve daily operations, expand market reach, and enhance customer experience through convenient online browsing, purchasing, and communication. So for the next slide, it will be presented by Mr. Mercurio.
Okay. Once again, good day to you, our fellow panelists. I will be relegated towards the explanation of our visibility and various process diagram. So in regards to our technical visibility, AGA-AGRI has subscribed to the industry standard ISO 25010. In terms of visibility, AGA-AGRI has dedicated towards an agricultural fleet that enables first-time visitors to immediately identify whether the properties and functionalities of what our website should be. Also, we have also magnified the various indications of user roles such as the guest, the user, and administrator by applying changes towards the user interface. In regards to functionality, we have implemented functional indicators in regards to various forms of functionality such as our icons showcasing a high level in analogous to programming, a high level of information in order to provide our new or even advanced perception of vocabulary to be able to comprehend our functionality within the system. Lastly, in our security, we have dedicated various forms of identification such as layered permissions and also for administrators providing the verification whether a product is visible for purchase or not. On to the next. We have the economic visibility. Despite agriculture providing high benefits of high potential of providing beneficial intermediaries towards agricultural supply, we still have our costs. Fortunately, our costs here are very functional and very cost-effective in comparison to the potential that we outputs. We have here our non-recurring costs. We have documentation, software and services, and equipment. As you can see, they are mostly composed of low investment prices, but with high returns, especially in comparison to the recurring cost, such as the software and services and utilities, in which the utilities are already given by the nature of having an internet access. So in short, our economic visibility is very probable towards the benefit of agricultural supply. On to the next. We have our development method in order to accommodate towards our system and towards our scheduling as fellow developers. We have implemented the Agile method, which showcases various iterative approach towards our various forms of updates towards the features of AGRI. On to the next. We have softwares. Moving on to our next studies, and this Centaur.
Software specification. This software was chosen because it's easy to use and update, and also can run on different browsers and also support both front-end and back-end development, creating a complete system that includes the virtual shop, visualizing, and dashboard.
agriculture that different components like organization, forum posting maintenance installation, working together across various platforms. One is system testing. System testing is validating the overall functionality of our using user smooth operation, secure plugin, accurate performance of all key features. And for
As you can see po, our fundamentals,
Paano kung nalaman mo ng SIM? Dito naman nalaman mo ng SIM. Hindi, ikaw. Paano ka nalaman mo ng SIM? Wala mo lang notification ng SIM. Gusto mo ng SIM?
Wala naman notification.
Wala. Wala na.
Wala ba? Okay, yun. Isa lang magsalita.
Request ko ng client na ilagay po yung mga certificates, business partners,
And then gusto nyo na rin yung mga timeline po.
history of
Hindi ko pala ako mag-process na
Dapat may ano lang, statement.
Alala ko may classmate.
Data privacy, ano.
Si
Ay, yung isa, yung yabang na yabang. Tapos error.
Sa Gomes. may camera, gano'n? May camera ba yan?
Pictures, sir.
Present ko yun.
Pero ang sabi niya may camera, yung may 360.
Yes, sir.
Ano yung actual camera, gano'n?
Ganyan po yun, sir. Medyo marami.
Tingnan mo content ba? Hindi pumapakit niya sa TV niya.
Ay, iba yung
Nakawala yung mga line.
Nakawala yung light colors. Nalalighted pa niya.
Sobrang linaw.
Nalalighted pa niya.
Kasi may bayo ko kayo sir diyan, maganda naman sa ano pag gano'n dyan. Yung gray yung naging white.
Nasaan yung green na ano?
Ayun, meron na.
Paano kung pinipitas ng bulaklak? Di ba sabi kung pinipitas ng bulaklak, tapos malalagay sa basket?
Hindi na.
Recorded!
Mamata lang po.
Di ba? Hindi! Hindi naman ito. Hindi naman sa virtual.
Ma'am, sabi ko.
Hindi alam namin kaya yung gawin yung part. Kahit yung virtual ang gusto namin makita.
Ano na po siya, ma'am? 360 lang po, pero magkano na. Pero
Nasa
hindi siya sabi ko
360.
yung...
Ano
Ako yung marketing camera. Mga ano, sa bakasyon po ako gumito.
Ayun bakasyon. Bakasyon ba kayo?
Hindi po.
Hindi ba ganyan yung capstone?
Sabi.
Summer.
Ay, hindi.
Ayan na.
Paano yan?
I-roll mo kasi si...
Nakabidyo po kasi.
Ah, video ba?
Nakabidyo po.
Ba't saan?
Balik back mo kasi para doon sa may nag-360.
Pero kung naka-ready yung ano yun, gawa ko sa
Back mo ba?
Na 360 yung photo.
Photo, 360. Yung camera doon gumagalaw.
Ayun
Ayun,
po.
no? 360 ng photo.
360 photo.
May 60 na photo, bird naman.
Ano mo na?
Ang ganda din.
Ano yung nervous mo? Ano ba yun? Wala pa lang nakalagay na
Tomato.
yung tomato or
So pagka bumili niya, mababawasan yung mga...
mababawasan yung di ba?
Hindi na usapan din.
No! Di ba?
Real time.
Di ba parang Roblox? Di ba yun yung usapan natin?
Ano ba purpose ng 360?
Para makakita na nila mismo.
Makakapili ka ba doon?
Yung shop.
Parang Roblox.
Makakapili ka?
Oo, sir. Yung ano.
Eh, paano ka makakapili doon? Isa lang pili yung camera nyo.
Sir, may ano naman po yun. Bisexual naman po yun.
Bisexual po.
Kaya galing yung camera nyo.
Baka pictures na rin nila.
Kala ko 360 ano? 360 view lang
Please,
pala.
sir, please, ano ba picture po?
Ay, hindi pwede.
Picture lang pala. Kala ko yung camera.
Umiikot nga po. Umiikot po mismo.
Nasaan?
Kala ko yung camera.
360 camera.
Yung gagamitin po.
Eh, paano yung ma-update?
Camera nga yun. Sa gagamit niya.
Sir, update po. Pero naglagay po kami sa may
Kasi ka-capture pa yung mga 360 na ano. Sige nga. Every time, eh paano yun eh, dinilisport, ay binibenta yun eh. Pag kunyari, hindi naman, bago na naman.
Sir, naglagay po kami ng update. Kapag kunyari-
Kaya nga, I mean, linggo-linggo nawawala yun.
Hindi pwede mawala ang
Hindi
update.
pwede.
Kaya everyday, may bumili, nawala yung pwesto, kuwasan na yan. Ano ba purpose ng 360? Kala ka ng camera. Ng 360 niyo kung baka ako mo gusto. Kasi what purpose ng 360 picture? What more mag-lay ka na ng gallery per section?
Hindi, sir, para ano, mag-enjoy sila para kahit sa bago natin.
Mahirap din make sure yung mag-enjoy din.
Oo nga, di mo naman nabisitas eh.
Sir,
Make sure yung
Ano ba yung gagawin ko sa 360 yan? Oh.
Nakikita ko ba dyan? Ay, naging
Wala na, wala
Naging
na.
panel. Ano ba yung naging panel? Wala rin, sabi ko, gusto ko malaman, marami siyang petals, gano'n.
Eh, ang ano nyo lang, hinay-nice pa dito sa objective. Hindi naman pala functionality. Picture lang pala. Eh, ang objective natin eh, mapakita ka lang ng 360 na may gusto Oo, actual. Kasi inalis sa objective nyo, inalis sa objective, functionality. Hindi lang functionality yan eh. Pinicturean nyo ng 360. Tapos in-upload nyo. Eh kaya nga, inalis mo sa objective, hindi mo pala sa main function. Kumbaga, hindi naman pala siya main function ng system. Kumbaga, ano lang siya? Add-ons. Yun lang siya, add-ons. Pag sinabi ko sa 360 virtual shop, is actual nung nakikita na 360. Kailangan naman, may camera siyang nanonotate and then bahala yung customer mag-view. Oo. Hindi, camera yun eh. Kaya nga, sinabi niyo kasi dito, 360 virtual shop. Eh parang ano na lang, 360 image virtual shop. Hindi nga, kapag kasi nagawa tayo ng system, ano i-develop? Eh sabi niyo, develop. Di-develop niyo ba yung picture? Hindi, galing ka sa camera na mayroong 360 pictures. Sino yung gumawa? Hindi kayo. Sabi ko nga, product yan. Yung sama nilang system. Hindi product ng system nyo. Kaya nakalaki dito to develop. Di ba? Ibig sabihin, i-develop yung pictures na yun. Eh kaso ko kayo, ang ginagawa nyo is kinapture siya through the 360 kind of photo, di ba? Tama. Hindi kayo develop. Ang galing yung objective na yun. Na hindi 360. Okay na tayo sa may virtual shop. Kasi yung 360 add-ons na lang. Para mas mukhang interactive. Ganon. Additional interaction. Immersion.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo yung hanapin namin yan eh.
360.
Siyempre, ilan tayo.
Ang ganda namin yan eh. Walang joke yun.
Sabi mo kasi dito,
Kasi tayo si Ma'am Jervin, nalalaman si Ma'am Jervin.
Yan, tapos, naging inventory management yan, paulit-ulit. Pangalawa, inventory management, walang sales. May inventory naman kayo, may nagbibenta sila, di ba yung nabinan nila?
Yes, sir.
O, wala namang sales objective. Mag-iba ang inventory sa sales. Remember, sa sales, ang hinahanap natin yung customer. Yung inventory sa atin. So, kung nabawasan yun sa sales, ano yung inventory natin? So, okay ba yan? Yung POS, no? Kasi, dulad-dulad yun nila. Develop inventory system that allows update, add, update. Ano tawag ko? Add, update, delete. Manage. Oo, di ba? Nawaran pa eh. Add, delete.
Tinatanong mo yung tao. Third.
Tapos, numbers and transport, tracking, inventory management. Wala kayong real-time tracking, di ba? Ng writers. Eh, ano yung tracking picture? So, implement order tracking. Ano dito? Order tracking. Status. Okay. Okay. Allows you to monitor purchase. Eh, di ba yung allow you to monitor purchase is the purchase. Track na kayo, di ba? Minamonitor mo, pinatrack mo. Ano ba nagkaiba nun? Wala. Purchase history, kung ano yung mga nabili mo.
Yes.
Oh, yun. Cancellation ba yung add to cart? Nasaan? Wala ba kayong local home? Order. Pumunta ba kayo dyan para i-cancel yung add to cart? I-cancel yung add to cart? Add to cart pa lang, napunta ka na sa orders agad?
Card pala, hindi ka pa nag-order.
Yan yung part. Na-add mo na, tapos ka-cancel mo.
Naka-card.
Yan. Alin yung cancel yan? Very visible.
Sana cancel na lang, ano?
Kailangan yun.
May plus tapos text.
Very visible. Tapos, meron dito, the platform offers support by providing high-quality planting red seeds. Ano yung statement na yun? The platform
So yung
offers support by providing high-quality planting red seed. Nag-provide kayo ng high-quality. Pwede pa talaga. Nag-provide pala yung platform nila. Yun yung statement eh. Anong nagawa mo? Ayun by providing high. Yung platform nila yung nagpo-provide ng high. Yung mga statement na kasi, dito binabasa eh. Tapos, meron dito sa may scope and limitation. Beyond being e-commerce site, a foster collaboration, ito nalaman mo sa scope nga lang eh. Ano lang yung e-commerce system yun, dami pa sinabi dito eh.
Sir, baka hanapin niyo po kasi pinag-post.
Beyond, hindi nga, beyond e-commerce collaboration, farmers who want to start, expand their planting activities.
Yes, sir.
Scope lang yung ano natin eh. Ano yung scope? Ano yung features ng system? Discuss. Tapos,
Yeah, yung scope po nun sir is for request po ni client na halimbawa po is may
so hindi nga, yung scope na ito, beyond the e-commerce site, foster collaboration. Yung statement pa na yun na sinusupport sa yung features para sinusupport yan. Wala naman eh, para siyang ano, narrative na nag-describe ng system nyo eh. Ang scope, describe natin ano yung capable yung system and functionality. Yun lang. Wala tayo yung narrative na features. Ano yun, hindi naman siya parang mabulak-bulak na salita lang gano'n.
Ano po, may integrated na features na po outside the system, such as
Yung
yung...
system mismo, outside system, non-requirements, pwede rin.
Yung sir, yung information po sa email, yung mga notifications.
Oo, mga gano'n.
Yun sir, part po siya ng product since part po siya features po related po sa system. Pero outside po siya system, pero yung related po siya, katulad po ng
Basta may relation sa system. May relation sa system. Hindi, ano kasi, beyond being e-commerce site, beyond. Hindi ko sinalaman, beyond e-commerce site. A foster collaboration, social. Collaboration with farmers who want to expand. Para kayo naging ito magazine. Hindi, ano sabihin yung mga relevant na statement. Kumbaga, focus lang kayo sa key features ng system. Tapos dito, maghahalo yung wala talaga nalaman sa relationship nila ng farmers. Gano'n. Hindi natin kailangan yung relationship ng farmers sa customers. Kailangan natin. Next dito yung ano, pagkahalo yung ano. Pagkahalo yung scope and limitation. Pwede ba kung buko yung anak? Bigyan nyo lahat yung scope, tapos bigyan nyo lahat yung limitation. Ito naman sa RD, bago ba?
Kumain ka mo.
Di sir, tapusin mo muna, makakakaya sa dito.
Oo, okay na.
Ayusin ko na.
Sabla kayo sa
Tabla ako, 6 minutes. Oh, yeah, 6 minutes.
So, yung comment ko na